Here's how we can try to highlight your low stock quantities in your inventory in under 30 seconds. So first we have the items, the quantity, what is going to be the price, and the stock value. We're just trying to have it here. So let's say that the minimum stock quantity, whatever I need to have, is like, let's keep that as 120. So now I'll try to highlight wherever the stock is going to be less than the 120. I'll just try to highlight that in red color. So I'll completely select the quantities over here, and then I'll try to go to format, and I'll go to conditional formatting. So here I'll have a custom formula. So the formula is nothing but it's going to be equal to, that is, when the quantity, so this cell, so that's nothing but C10. So I'll say when the C10 cell is going to be less than my minimum stock, so that is nothing but C7. So I'll say my C7 cell. Then what will happen is that I need to like highlight that in red color. So here you can see that the minimum stock is going to remain the same. So I'll do the absolute referencing. So I'll add the dollar symbols before the row and column number over here, and then I'll just try to highlight that in the red color. So now I'll give done. So here you can see wherever the stock quantity is less than 120, I'm automatically getting it. So if I try to go and change this minimum quantity to 200, then automatically you can see wherever I'm trying to have the quantity is less than 200, it will automatically highlight in my red color. So this is how you can actually track your low stock in your inventory. So if you wish to use the inventory tracker template, I've given the link in the first comment. Please do check it out. And also subscribe for more spreadsheet hacks.